Nobody talks about this 4-hour candle, and by ignoring it, you are hurting your win rate. I'm talking about the 10 a.m. Eastern 4-hour open. This candle is the first 4-hour flip in the New York session, and it is after the first 30 minutes of the open, right when price really begins its real distribution move of the day. This is that 4-hour open on the 1-minute chart. As you can see, price manipulates higher, forms this 4-hour wick, and then begins its real sell-off and distribution to the downside. I'm able to catch these moves because I understand the concept of time and price, and I align my entries with the real distribution cycle. You see, there's 4 elements to any candle. First is the open, then the low that forms in price, then the high, and finally the close. Vice versa for a bearish candle, we first have the open, then we see a high form, this is our manipulation wick, then we see a low form as price distributes, and finally a close when that candle is complete. The key is to enter after we formed our wick, get in after manipulation has occurred, put our stop somewhere at that manipulation high, and then we target a previous low in the market that corresponds with our distribution cycle. If we jump back to our example here, this is what price would have looked like at the time of our entry. As we can see here, we've swept New York high, we've formed this upper wick. Price is currently bullish on the 4-hour, but we understand that this is just the open and we're likely to flip bearish because we have a bearish bias. So we mark out what 1-minute bullish fair value gaps are holding, and we wait for a close below, which we get on this candle here. This close below is our trigger to sell short. I'm going to be selling short on a retracement to the inversion edge. I'm going to put a stop at our last swing high in the market up here, and I am going to be targeting discounted sell side liquidity all the way down here. All that's left now is to sell short at the close, put our stop in the market at that swing high, and set our TP down low. Now we let the trade play out, and we see how our distribution occurs along with this 4-hour candle. As you can see, $4,000 of profit using only 1 mini. By the time we're out of our trade, this is what our 4-hour candle would look like. It would have flipped from green as we formed this upper wick to red, where we capitalized on our short. If you guys want a free link to my Discord group with tons of free guides, resources, video tutorials, classes, seminars, and a like-minded community, just comment the word time and I will send you a link for absolutely free.